Hello everybody, in this video I'll talk about item listener. Okay, item listener, that is basically used for checkboxes. When the state of this checkbox changes, event is fired, and in order to handle that event we have to define item state changed method. Now let's start coding. Control C plus item listener demo implements, okay, extends JFrame implements item listener. Okay, now let's make some checkboxes. J checkbox, that is JC1, JC2 and JC3, three checkboxes. Public demo. Okay, this is a constructor. Now let's initialize these checkboxes. Rate. Two, three, RGB, red, green, blue. Okay, now we have created three checkboxes. Now let's specify the properties of this window. Set size 500 by 500. No, I should copy this. Control C. Okay, set size, then set layout, new flow layout. Okay, now these are the properties of this frame window. Set visible, set site, set location relative to. This method enables to brings window to the middle of user screen. Okay, now let's add these components to the frame. JC1, now let's add item listener to these individual components. JC dot add item this. Control C, Control V, 2, 3. Now this item listener contain only one method, so we have to define public void item state change. The argument is item event IE. Okay, this is the only one method we have to define for this item listener. So what we can do is, there are three checkboxes. Okay, we can use J dialog box. J option pane dot show message dialog. This, then this. Okay, what I can do is string value is equal to. Now I have to check which checkbox been selected by user using the method is selected. Then I can write a value is equal to red. Control C, Control V, Control V. If JC2 is selected, then what should be the value? That is blue, I think. And if this is the third one, then the value is green. Let's confirm this. Okay, red, blue, green. One is okay, fine. Now and then let's display this value here. Okay, what is this? Item listener demo. Okay, smaller, I think. Okay, let's make this smaller. Item listener demo. Okay, perfect. Let's define main method. Public static void and let's create the object of this item listener. Demo, small letter it is, not capital. I have to change this also, demo. Okay, no red lines. Now let's execute this. Java C item. Okay, a republic. Oh, I forgot to mention the item listener demo. What is this? What was the problem? Invalid declaration return. Okay, I changed the spelling here, so I have to correct this because no capital letters here, all small letters. Everything is okay. Okay, fine. Demo. Okay, these are the buttons. As I click this button, what will happen? Okay, it read. Okay, now you can see in this way we can click the button and generate the event and handle the event using this item listener. Okay, this is a very simple one. Green, perfect. I think it is a very simple code. Thank you for watching.